I saw this abandoned building from the highway, so I decided to check it out. I think it's a restaurant. It's got a nice view. Behind the bar. Not a lot of graffiti. Here's another bar. So there's an indoor seating area and an outdoor seating area. Tombstone. Enigma. Okay. Fridge. That's the door we came in on, that door right there, but we're going to go upstairs to the private quarters. It's a long way down. Get a load of this. Soviet era telephone. Storage room. I don't want to go out that way. There's Ladder I could take up to the attic. I don't care to do that today. Kind of an apartment here. I looked through the newspapers here, and the latest date I saw was 2009. Most of this stuff, however, is from the 1990s. I have a calendar from 1994. That's a pretty good indication of when this place was last occupied. So, most of these yellow newspapers, they're dated in the 1990s. That's 1998 right there. Fridge. See what's in the fridge? Nothing in the fridge. Oh, look, someone's suit and tie is still hung up. They're ready to go. They left their suit and tie. They left their pants and shirts here. They were planning to come back. This place really hasn't been ransacked. Well, maybe it has. Could be someone came in here looking for anything valuable. So these newspapers, only in this room, date to 2009. See, that's 2009. Most of this is, that could just be squatters who left this here in 2009. It's kind of a sunroom there. Okay. Another room. So someone stopped by in 2016 to leave their regards. We're going to go down there now. Into the basement. This is where they keep the bodies. Classic furniture. It might be a shower, I don't know. This is the darkest part of the basement where I need my flashlight to see anything. And hot water heater. Scary. I don't see any bodies. This concludes our tour Look at the mountains again.